Hi, we are the Three Little Chefs. I'm Rana.
I'm Bernadette.
And I'm Leslie, and we're here to show you how to make chicken jambalaya. Now, we have to prepare the ingredients. We need the following. 1/2 pounds of chicken breast cut in strips, salt, fresh ground black pepper, vegetable oil, 1 can chicken Vienna sausage, sliced, 1 large onion, chopped, 1 large green bell pepper, chopped, 1 cup celery, chopped, 1 minced garlic, clove, 1 cup uncooked rice, 1 and 1/4 cup. First, season the chicken with salt and pepper. In a saucepan, heat 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil over a medium heat.
Go.
Saute the chicken pieces until slightly brown.
Okay.
And after that, remove it and set them aside. Saute the chicken Vienna sausage until it is brown, then remove it and set it aside. Now let's remove it from the saucepan. Pwede na siguro yan, no? In a casserole, saute bell pepper, onion, celery, and garlic until all tender. Stir in the chopped tomatoes and put some salt and pepper to taste. Stir in the sausage and chicken. And cook it up for about 10 minutes. Remember to stir it every once in a while. And after 10 minutes, Finally, stir in the rice and chicken broth. Chicken broth. It smells good. Finally, we're done. Now, let's put it in a clean bowl. And let's put this. And let's. And now this is our chicken jambalaya. Hope you like it. Parang may ganun.
Pwede na yun.